ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Kelly Bates.
Well, good evening and welcome back. And we do have raindrops on the lens out here. We also have reduced visibility due to some fog that has rolled in as well. But temperatures are weirdly warm for us this time of year, and that's going to stay as we go through the overnight. Visibilities have taken a little bit of a hit because of all that moisture hanging out there, that cloud hanging out at the ground level. But it's not really low enough to impact road travel until you get to the Worcester area. When we put up the visibility map, this is what we're looking for: quarter of a mile visibility. That impacts road travel. The rest of us, yeah, it will, but not to the extent of a quarter-mile visibility. That's when it starts to become a concern. So just our headlines as we continue on through the weekend. March has begun mild and damp. We do have heavy rain that is possible as we go further into tonight. Tomorrow's going to be better. We're looking at a chance of showers till about 7 in the morning. After that, mostly cloudy skies, but it should remain dry and warm too. We have a chance of showers really every day through the week ahead, and we're looking at highs in the 50s nearly each day. Next weekend will be very, very close. Now, our maximum temperatures topped out about roughly 5 degrees, rounding up, warmer than average. And tomorrow we're going to see more widespread temperatures in the 50s. And a lot of it has to do with where our temps are right now. So we're in the 40s and lower 50s. As we go through the night, we're going to see these clouds hang in there and act like a blanket. We're also going to keep the winds up too. And these two things tend to prohibit temperatures from dropping off. So we're pretty much going to stay where we are right now. Pretty warm place to start, right? So winds are moving in from the south, generally 5 to 15 miles per hour, and they have been picking up occasional higher gusts, mainly in coastal areas, 25 to 30 mile per hour gusts. Now, we have seen some pretty impressive rainfall totals. Nearly 4/10 of an inch in the westerly area, 3/10 of an inch for Providence, 2/10 of an inch in Taunton, and nearly 3/10 for New Bedford. But the heavy stuff really has yet to come through. Yes, we've seen this warm front move through. That's what this is, this yellow line that goes through. Boop. And that's also what's going to help keep these temperatures really warm as we go through the overnight. But this is all part of a more complex system. We've got an area of low pressure that is going to intensify as it emerges off the New Jersey coast. And when it rolls through, that's what's going to give us the chance of heavier rain later tonight. So this is what our rainfall totals could look like by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Because of that heavy round of rain, it could push our totals over an inch in many areas. So here's how the Futurecast plays this out. Here's our area of low pressure intensifying as we go through tonight, moving on through with the heavy rain around 9 p.m. If you have plans, umbrellas are going to be kind of necessary. But as we continue through the overnight, the precipitation winds down, leaves us with a chance of showers, little spotty showers at 7 a.m. and some patchy fog. Patchy fog will hang out with us through the morning. After that, we just stay dry with a bunch of clouds hanging out. We may get into some decent amounts of sunshine in the westerly area, but it looks like that would be about it. Clouds roll right back in as we go to Sunday night. So here's what our temperatures will be doing overnight. You'll notice 40s, 50s. Same deal as we go to tomorrow. So this is our overnight lows, and they'll be pretty much where they are right now. And that will help our temperatures get more into the 50s. We'll see more widespread action that way. And if we do get into appreciable sunshine, we could see temperatures in the mid to even upper 50s, like we have a good potential of seeing in Westerly, Groton, New London. You want to go to Mystic? Yeah, you'll probably see some sun. Otherwise, we sit in the clouds. So showers heavy at times for tonight. Patchy fog will be with us too. Temperatures will be in the 40s, and winds will be light out of the southeast. We have a chance of showers and patchy fog that will be with us very early on. If you sleep in, you'll miss it. Otherwise, cloudy to mostly cloudy, except for in the southwest corner of the state of Rhode Island. There we have a chance of actually getting into some appreciable sun. So here's your extended forecast, and you'll notice we're going to go way into the 50s. We've got a warm front Wednesday. It's going to drive highs that will be in the upper 50s to possibly 60. It will be followed by a cold front though, and that drops temperatures as we finish the week and look to the weekend. It will be quite breezy and much cooler by the time we get to Thursday.
Definitely a rainy week ahead.
Yeah, very, very March-ish.
Yes.
Yeah.
I was going to say, do March showers bring April flowers?
I don't know what March showers bring. I can look that up for you, though.
But I was pleasantly surprised when I went outside today with how warm it was. Because
Yeah.
you look out the window, you see the rain, you think it's going to be a lot colder.
Yeah, like raw and all that.
Right.
It wasn't really too bad.
No.
So, and same deal for tomorrow.
All right. Thanks, Kelly.
Sure.
Let's go to Nick now for a look at sports.